Good morning. It's about 11 o'clock right now. Yesterday we decided not to vlog. What did you do?
I edited.
I got a massage.
Yeah, you got 2 massages.
Yeah, Graham graciously gave me his massage, so thank you, dear.
I gave her a massage.
No, I got a professional massage. So today we are on our way to the Gibbon Rehabilitation Project. For those of you that don't know, I assume you do know, but we're pretty big animal lovers, or I am. And
She is.
Graham is just along for the ride.
I'm married to her,
so which makes him an animal lover now too. But we're on our way to the Gibbon Rehabilitation Project, and we're gonna learn more about what they're doing over there.
The Gibbons have been drinking too much.
No.
They've been doing drugs.
Okay, great.
Once again, we are foiled by this place. This place is like a maze. Going to the Gibbon place, right?
Yes.
Alright, and then the dog place?
We're going to Soy Dog after the Gibbon place.
Close. Temporarily unavailable. We can get water. We'll have to go to another one. It's all good. It's not working. No, not working. Here we are. After some little, not a mix-up, but
A little hiccup trying to find money from an ATM.
yeah, the first ATM we went to wouldn't let me take out money, so we were a little bit stressed out for that, but I think it's all good. We figured it out.
We found money.
We found money, yay!
If you don't speak English, they
yes.
give you any number of foreign language translation.
Yeah, we're good.
We're in the US.
California.
I used to live in New York for a few long times.
Oh, yeah?
I'm half American.
Where are you from?
England originally,
Oh, okay.
and then about 30 years in New York. So, I can give you a little bit of information about
Sure.
Yeah, that'd be great.
what we're about. We're basically taking in gibbons that have been rescued from either the pet trade or used in bars and restaurants as photo props for tourists.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
We are getting them healthy where we can, making couples and families, and then we're releasing them back into the forest.
Oh,
Oh, that's good. Good for you guys.
You can't go all the way up the hill because
Right.
we're trying to get them ready for reintroduction, but if you go up the steps to the viewing area, you can get to see several of the ones. The ones closer to us here aren't going to be released for a number of different reasons, like Bo, the black one in the left cage, has actually been released 6 times and has come back.
It doesn't work. Oh, he
We'll
came
probably
back.
just need
Yeah,
one.
he had his teeth filed down, which is quite a common thing, because once they
Oh,
start
so
to
they can't
mature, they get, yeah.
Looks like Chris.
His leg amputated because he's abused by his owner.
This one has leg amputated. Right? Can't really see him that well.
No. You can kind of see him playing in the background. Seems pretty happy now. He can't be released back into the wild because he had his leg amputated.
Yeah, by awful, awful tourists.
No, I think it was his owner.
Very good at balancing.
Yeah. I'm sure it took him a while to get used to. This seems okay now.
Oh, I just noticed his leg.
Yeah. His foot and his
Poor guy. Ashley wants to adopt a Gibbon, but we're not independently wealthy, so.
No, I'm serious. Let's go.
You want to adopt one?
Yeah.
Once again, Ashley gets her way with the animals. It's hot. It's honestly not that amazing.
I told you. I read the news online.
I mean, it's water and it's falling, but it's not really.
Well, it's like all a waterfall.
This trip is turning out to be quite a animal-centric type of honeymoon, which is not surprising considering that it's Ashley here. So, so we just, you want to show the certificate? Yeah, here's a certificate. We paid for taking care of a Gibbon.
Baby Mason.
And that is actually in Rhonda's name. So congratulations, Rhonda. You were taking care of a Gibbon for 2 years. I hope you have enough room in your place.
Not like that.
And now we're going to, where? The dog place?
Yes.
I'm trapped. Hey, hey guys. Hey. Poor guy. What happened to your leg? Huh? Don't worry, I only have 2 legs.
He seems very sweet.
Oh, it's a very cute doggy.
Headphones.
This is what we call a hotel run for short stays. So these are all the lucky dogs that have been adopted. Oh yeah. So these are all been adopted and let's go to their new home.
I think Graham made a new best friend.
Where'd your leg go? Where's your leg?
Look at that face. Graham and I are gonna go see elephants tomorrow.
Yes, we are. Where are we seeing the elephants? At a resort?
It's called Elephant House.
Yes.
It's in Cowsoak National Park. I'm
Yes.
very excited. Elephants.
Yes.
Yes.
But right now, beer.